Alright, guys, buckle up. Today we're stepping into a courtroom circus starring a sovereign citizen Karen who refuses to play by any legal rules. From the jump, she claims she's merely the authorized representative of her all-caps name, not the actual person charged. The judge calls her by name, but she dances around it like it's a trap. She won't turn her camera on, won't answer questions directly, and acts like courtroom language is some kind of code to hack. This bizarre intro sets the tone for a legal showdown packed with nonsense, deflection, and delusion. If you think it can't get worse, just wait.
Ma'am, Miss John Williams.
Hello.
Hello, can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, you don't want an attorney this morning?
No, I am the authorized representative. I'm making a special limited appearance for the all caps name.
Okay. All right. Let me call this matter then. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
I can hear you now. Something going on with the phone. I'm in the side of the building.
Yeah, I was about to say it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Sherelle Williams.
Okay. All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney. Okay.
And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court, so certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
The courtroom tension rises as the judge tries to explain her rights, including her right to an attorney, but she's already off the rails. She says she put her car into a business trust, isn't driving anymore, and is rescinding contracts. What she's really doing is refusing to give a straight answer. She's throwing around sovereign buzzwords like special appearance, and pretending the law doesn't apply to her. Every question from the judge gets deflected with a fantasy claim. It's not legal defense, it's pure sovereign theater. And the judge? He's clearly trying not to lose it.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, you can proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee.
Things spiral as the judge cuts through the nonsense, explaining that whether it's upper or lowercase letters, she's still the person responsible for the ticket. But she insists he's her trustee, and must discharge the charges and even compensate her for damages. Yes, she's demanding money from the court. The judge reminds her that vehicles on public roads require insurance, period. But Karen's stuck in a delusional loop. She's not defending herself, she's playing make-believe law. At this point, the courtroom becomes a tug-of-war between reality and sovereign fiction.
Charge this entire matter. At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
I am
Or if you
asking
don't
to
want to
dismiss-
participate. Or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate.
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So, as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
After watching her ignore every question and dodge all responsibility, the judge pulls back, slightly. Rather than go straight to a bench warrant, he gives her a final warning, a show cause hearing. This is the court saying, you have one last shot. Show up and explain yourself. A show cause is a chance to cooperate, while a capias is a bench warrant that sends the cops. The judge is showing restraint, for now. But we all know how this story ends. She's not walking out of this courtroom saga without handcuffs in her future.
Janvier Williams. Thank you so much. Janvier Williams.
Hello?
Hello. You turn your camera on,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
All right.
How you doing?
Now I'm fine. How about yourself? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Janvier Sherelle Williams. This is ticket number SP1534898. Count no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Janvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today,
I'm asking you to
this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative. Do you have a
P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm an attorney, in fact.
Welcome to round 2, where she's back. Same energy, same nonsense. Again, she refuses to admit she's the defendant and claims to be a non-resident alien, just making a special appearance. The judge demands the real person to show up, but she refuses to acknowledge the name on the ticket. It's the same sovereign script, repeated louder and slower. The judge challenges her directly, trying to force a moment of truth. But instead of answers, she gives more gibberish about corporations and jurisdiction. It's painfully clear, this isn't a legal defense, it's a performance.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not,
I need
I
the
will put a
person-
UCC.
John
I
Vier
will lean
Williams.
it. I will lean it. I will lean
Williams,
it.
be quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice?
I am here
Janvier Sherelle Williams.
to make a special limit appearance
Are you
on
present?
the behalf of
Ms. Williams, if
John-
you're not gonna answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vier Williams, the agent.
Okay. So Janvier
Authorized
Williams is not
representative.
present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move
Non-resident
forward because I
alien.
need her present. All right. So there will be a KPS put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Janvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That all
ticket
cap name
of
was
no insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket.
This is the breaking point. The judge asks her to provide a P number, a state ID for attorneys, and of course, she has nothing. Her response? Threats of liens, lawsuits, and more legal gibberish. She throws out UCC codes like they're magic spells. The judge warns her again, this is your last chance. But she doubles down on the delusion and still refuses to identify herself. There's no more confusion, just defiance. What she thinks is power is actually self-destruction. The only thing she's about to earn is a bench warrant and a guaranteed trip to jail.